Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Ledger Live for Ethereum and USDC apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have your Ledger device and your computer ready. Open your Ledger Live application. Connect your Ledger device to your computer using the USB cable. Unlock your Ledger device by entering your PIN. Once unlocked, wait for Ledger Live to detect your device. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Manager section located on the left sidebar. Make sure your device is up to date. If prompted, follow the instructions to update your firmware. In the Manager section, locate the Apps catalog. Search for the Ethereum app and click on Install. Wait for the install. Next, search for the USDC app in the Apps catalog. Click Install to add the USDC app to your device. After installation, return to the main screen of Ledger Live. Navigate to the Accounts section on the left sidebar. Click on Add Account. Select Ethereum from the list of options. Click Continue to proceed with adding your Ethereum account. Confirm the action on your Ledger device. Once the account is added, you should see your Ethereum balance reflected in Ledger Live. Now, repeat the process to add your USDC account by selecting Add Account again. Choose USDC from the available options. Click Continue and confirm again on your Ledger device. After adding your USDC account, return to the main screen. Your Ethereum and USDC accounts are now set up and ready for use. Make sure to review your accounts for accuracy before proceeding with any transactions. You are now authorized to use both the Ethereum and USDC apps in Ledger Live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.